Hello everyone, my name is Ankush Sir. I am CEO and founder of Learnomate Technologies. This is a clip from my paid class and I hope you'll find this very useful. Hello friends, welcome back to Learnomate Technologies YouTube channel. And my name is Ankush Sir and I am here to talk about the PostgreSQL directory level backup. So as I said earlier, we can take the backup of your PostgreSQL with the help of your PG underscore dump, right? So you can use that like there are different formats which are available with the PG underscore dump. Like what are the formats we have? Can you tell me? So we have plain text format, we have custom format, we have directory format, right? So we already discussed about the plain text format and custom format in the last lecture. If you have not watched, then go back, check my previous video. You'll understand it very clearly because we have seen these things practically. Today, I'm going to talk about the directory level format. So what is this? See, so in directory level format, you can do the backup and restoration. Both the things you can do it parallelly. That is possible. So why we go with the parallel backup? Because if the backup is happening parallelly, it will be much faster for your backup and for your restoration also. Let's say if I'm not doing parallelly, if it is taking 10 hours previously without parallel, now it will take hardly 2 to 3 hours because I'm doing this backup parallelly. So it will consume more resources, but your performance of your backup and restoration will be very high. Second thing is selective restoration is also possible. What is meant by selective? Selective means, let's say I have a backup of complete database, but I don't want to backup. I don't want to restore a complete database. I want to restore some specific table. So that is also possible with the help of your directory level backup. Third important thing is, what is third important? All the backups are using compression techniques. So it means the backup will consume a very less storage. If I compare it with the other, this is going to take very less storage. That is the reason directory level format play an important role. So overall, if I want to tell you the directory level format we normally use whenever you want to take the backup of your big databases. Let's say you have a database which is in terabyte or which is having very big size. That time we normally prefer to go with the PostgreSQL directory level backup. Another importance of this directory level format backup is you can also use for cross version. Let's say you have a backup of PostgreSQL 14 and you want to restore it to the 15. That is also possible. So if you want to use this directory level format, you need to have a syntax. Like, let me explain you the syntax. So pg underscore dump is the utility which is going to take a backup. This backup you are going to run with the help of user called Postgres. Then you are going to mention the format. So -f is basically for format. Which format? I want to take this backup in the directory format. Then what else? You need to specify -j4. So this is basically I'm going to take the backup parallelly. So there will be 4 processes which are going to take the backup parallelly. This is also completely depending upon the number of resources that you have allocated to your server level. So if you have less resources, accordingly you need to adjust this value. So it's all depend upon the number of resources, the number of CPUs which are available on your server. So you need to use it very carefully. Then you have -f, the locations where you want to take the backup. Let's say I want to take the backup in /home/postgres and I'm going to create a folder called backup. So in this location, this backup is going to be created. So this is the basic syntax. If you want to take directory level format, this is very important. -f d. D means I want to take the backup in the format directory level. I'll show you this practically. Let's see my screen. So in order to make you understand what I did, I created this student table and I'm going to take the backup by using this pg underscore dump utility. The directory, the format will be directory level. And then I'll drop this once the backup is completed. And then I will show you how you can restore it from this directory level backup format. So let's see it practically. So first of all, I'll just connect to the pSQL utility. Okay. I'll show you the table which we have created. So select start from the table name is student. Done. So this is a table where I have around 1000 records are there. So this table, I want to take the backup. What I will do, I'll use the utility like pg underscore dump is the utility which is going to take a backup. I want to take a backup of the database, hyphen d postgres is the database, hyphen t is the table name student. I'm going to take this backup parallelly. So I'll say then where the backup will be going into the location called slash home slash postgres, and you can mention any location. Then let's say I'll mention like backup in this location. What else? So let me cross check the syntax once. So in this location, this is my database name, table name, hyphen f. This is hyphen, yeah, I need to specify the format also. The format is hyphen f d, and then I think one hyphen f d. So okay, this location is already exists. Let me give another location. Done. So if I go into this location, the location will be created automatically. And here you can see there is a top file. Again, this file is very, very important because it has all details about your backup. So it is a kind of metadata file. So do not delete this. And this is a file where my actual backup is available. Now what I will do, I'll just connect to the PSQL. I'll drop the table. So I'll say drop table. Table name is student. I'm going to drop this table. And then I'll show you how you can restore that. So if you want to restore, pg underscore restore is the utility. I'm going to use it. Then hyphen u, this restoration will be taken with the help of Postgres. I'm going to restore it on the Postgres database where the backup is available. Backup is available in this location and it is a directory level backup. So I'll just use this and let's see. Hyphen open. Okay, so my directory location is different, right? It's not backup to. I have changed the location, right? So I'll just change that backup to. Done. So if I go to the PSQL and if I say let's select count star from student, I can see my table is back. Yeah. Okay. So you find it very, very useful, very, very easy. Again, I know that you people are very interested to know more about the PostgreSQL. Again, if you're interested, please reach out to the Learnomate. And if you're looking for real-time database training, you can reach out to me. The numbers are available here. Still, if you want to learn free of course, subscribe to this channel. Please do not forget us to follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn. You can follow us everywhere. All the details are available in the description of this video. And if you're looking for next video, mention interested. Thanks. I hope you guys have learned something valuable from this video. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. You can also contact us for the paid training. You can also comment interested if you want the more video like this.